What is the benefit of including individual stocks in your portfolio instead of only ETFs? Isn't the risk of losing higher? Isn't it better to just buy the S&P? Yeah, that's a great question. So let me first of all explain ETFs really, really quickly. So ETF stands for Exchange Traded Funds. And so if you buy this stock, the ticker is SPY, and what you do is you're going to pay an annual fee of only 0.09% to own this. And the amazing thing about ETFs is 90% of them beat the pants off of mutual funds. And mutual fund fees can be 5% sometimes, including hidden fees. And mutual funds trade so darn much that the short-term taxes is much, much higher than it is with ETFs. What does that mean? Well, governments globally encourage you to think long-term. And so if you own something and you sell it and you realize a profit in greater than 1 year, you pay much less taxes, much less capital gains taxes. Mutual funds buy and sell all year long, many of them. And so not only are the fees high you're paying, and not only do they underperform the indexes like the S&P, but the taxes are much higher as well. So here in the S&P, we talked about there's 500 stocks in this one. And so the question is, why should I buy an ETF? Or why should I buy individual stocks when I can buy an ETF, which is 500 stocks in a portfolio and it's diversified? The reason to buy stocks is if you have time and if you understand finance and accounting and you do a lot of research on individual companies, you can outperform the ETFs if you have time to roll up your sleeves. And I teach my students in my MBA degree program how to create incredible financial models to value companies based on their earnings expectations. Even if you have no finance experience, I teach you from scratch. And I also teach you how to analyze the qualitative and quantitative aspects of a company, looking at fundamentals, valuation, and then technicals, a distant third. And so if you're interested in learning more, you can sign up for my MBA degree program, or you can take a very short version of it, which is called the Complete Financial Analyst course, which is, I think it's just over 20 hours. Whereas my MBA degree program, if you're in the platinum or gold version, is over 500 hours, including Q&A and one-on-one times. Yeah. And to learn more about that stuff, just go to my website, haruneducation.com. Thanks.